Hey friends, it's Mia. Today we're here at Disney Springs. We're here for Pin Release Tuesday, so we're going to check out the pins that are released here for this first Tuesday in May. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little pin trading here, and let's see if we can find some good pins. There is one more thing. If you guys are looking for certain merchandise or you want to order some pins, pre-order, or just want to order pins that maybe are available all the time, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and you can contact that team and they will get you the pins that you want or any other merchandise. Okay, you guys? They're just some people you can trust. All right, let's head on into Disney Springs. Let's check out those new pins and let's go pin trading. So I bring a bunch of pins with me, tons of them. I don't know if we're going to find many pins since it is 5 p.m., but you never know. So I bring all these pins with me today. Let's see how many we can trade for today. Here's the pin board at Disney Style. So this is the pin that we are leaving here today at Disney Style. We're going to be trading for a second pin, and we're going to be leaving this headband pin, and we'll show you what we traded for in a second. What we traded for is the Stitch Valentine pin, and we traded for the Princess Leia and R2 pin because it's Star Wars month. Here's the pins in the Star Wars store. I already see one I like and I'm going to be trading for. So I'm going to leave Belle here. And I'm going to pick up this Munchling. Here's the pin board at the Marvel store. I see something we're going to be trading for here. All right, so let's leave a pin and then I'll show you what we traded for. So I'm going to trade this Stitch pin for the Winnie the Pooh pin. Look how cute, the Winnie the Pooh Halloween pin. I think that's a good one. I think we're doing pretty good today already. This is what I'm going to be trading for at our next destination. They're really good pins, and these are all legit. So, but we'll see, because I'm not going to just pick up just anything. I try to remove the fake ones if by any chance I get one, and I try not to give it back, because really, this fake pins, the amount of fake pins around here and the parks is really ridiculous. Disney needs to crack down on pin trading. Now, I hear that Paris is very picky. They don't let you just lay down those fake pins. Oh no, they check them. They make sure they're real. So our plans for today was to go to Hollywood Studios, but it is so hot and muggy out. So we figured we'll do that maybe next week. It's supposed to be a little cooler next week. Today it's like 90, 91. It's a little humid. Yeah, so at the parks it just gets even hotter. So we will just try to do that next week. So this week it's all about the pins. All about the pins and the shopping. My friends, let us know if you're enjoying our pin trading videos. This is something we just started to do. Besides merchandise in parks and resorts. So let us know if you enjoy doing this, because we enjoy pin trading, we really do. And we are a collector. And one of these days I'll show you my full collection. Here's the pins at Art of Disney. This is the pin board at Wonderful World of Memories.
Because in middle school, my hair used to go right here. And then I chopped it all off. And then I
So we found nothing at Wonderful World of Memories and Art of Disney. So let's move on. So here's the pin board at Days of Christmas. There are a few good pins here. So my friends, see this pin right here? The cast member watches Ricky and I on a Cinderella Wish. And she had this pin. She says it's a 10th anniversary pin with Goofy. So, of course, her and I did some pin trading. And actually, she liked a pin that I had. It was Figaro. So, actually, we did some pin trading together. It is so much fun when guests or cast members say, you know, I saw your video. Anyway, we're in pin traders, so let's check out what's new and let's do a little pin trading. Okay, so here are the pins at the pin store at Pin Traders. Okay, you guys, I found this cute little baby Yoda or Grogu pin. Like I said, it's Star Wars month, so we're gonna pick up this pin. And we're gonna leave Stitch. So my friends, the other day I picked up these pins and I didn't unbox them yet. So we're gonna unbox them right now. So you're gonna see future Mia unboxing these Disney imaginative icon pins. Time to open up the Imaginative Icons Mystery Box Pins. Now these pins are $22.99 each, and they come with 2 pins in each box. Which one should we open up first? Anyway, let me just show you what pins first. So these are the pins we will possibly be getting in this box. Now, my favorite is Jack and Gus. So I hope I get that. Second favorite, kind of like Robin Hood, Genie, and Pain and Panic. Okay, well, anyway, let's start opening the box up. Let's open this up. Drum roll, please. If I can open it up, I think I should have grabbed some scissors. Okay. The first one, okay, I see what it is, and wait till you see what it is. Sorcerer Mickey and his hat. That's a good pin. I'm happy. Yes, I am. Let's see what else we're gonna get in this box. Drum roll, please. It's Minnie Bo. It's cute. What it is vintage Minnie and modern day Minnie. Box number 2. I really hope I get Jack and Gus. Let me see. I don't think I got Jack and Gus. I think I got maybe a repeat. Ooh. Oh no! Oh no, you guys. I got a repeat. Oh, so sad. And I can feel what's in this bag. Oh, so sad. It's the Minnie Bo. Look, as much as I love them, I really didn't need duplicates. And that's the problem with these boxes. Okay, that's okay. I'll just trade these. I'm sure somebody's gonna like these, right? Anyway, back to pin trading with Mia. So here are the new pins that just came out today. It's Pooh and Rabbit. And a Fairy Tale Moments pin, and it's Mickey. This is, what's the movie called? It's Mickey and the Beanstalk.
Yes.
That's what it is?
I believe so.
Yeah, well, If it's not, it's close to it?
Yep. I'm pretty sure that's the name.
Okay.
It might be the giant beanstalk.
Oh, okay. This is a very cool pin.
All of the Fairy Tale Moments ones I've seen,
they sell really
cool.
quick. Yeah, and they sell quickly.
Yes.
So this pin here is $24.99, and the Winnie the Pooh is $34.99. We're all done at Pin Traders, so let's take a look at the pins I picked up so far. There's 6, and I love them all. Take a look at the pin board in the toy store. In Once Upon a Toy, I did a trivia, and the question was, name 4 movies with 1-word titles. So, I got that right. So, this is the pin I won. Now, I have this pin, but I'm going to trade with somebody that is looking for this pin, and maybe I can find something I'm looking for. Sometimes I'll just leave it on the board. It's okay to do that too. This is not a merchandise video, but $65 for this lug. Red, white, and blue Mickey bag. It's really cute. Very cute. I like it. So here's the new baby pink headband, and it has a really interesting bow. It's nylon, but on the inside it's sequin, and these little hidden Mickey figures are like a little plastic. And yes, the headband is pleather. And again, it's $34.99. So here are the pins at Trendy and Co-op Marketplace. And the cast members has all these pins on her. Let's see what we're gonna trade for. So we didn't find anything in Co-op Marketplace. So we're gonna be moving on. See, pin trading is so fun because it's very fast paced. And like I said, we're not doing merchandise today, but I just had to show you those 2 new items that just came in. Okay, so there was nothing at World of Disney. I didn't see any cast members with their little pouches on them or lanyards. And the board, well, it's not out now, so we're going to keep moving on. Where are we going next? Here's the pin board at Guest Relations. Here's the pin board at Ever After. This one looks nice. That's interesting, the car. So the pin board is pitiful. More like pitiful, but pitiful. You know what? I never check the pin board by the bus stop, so I'm going to check that pin board today. Yeah, because there might be something good over there. Never know. Here's the pin board at the storage house in front of the bus station. I see Cinderella. Let's just take a look at her. I think I'm going to pass on this one. Okay, friends, no luck at that pin board. We're almost at the end of this video, but wait, don't go yet. So here's the pin board at Sundries, right here by the buses. Bus terminal. Full pin board. So no look at Sundries, but here's the trick. We're here by the Orange Garage, and before we leave, because Disney style, is only a few feet away. We're gonna stop at Disney Style just one more time and double check. And we're gonna circle back because you never know. There might be great pins in there and we're on our way out. Well, might as well look. You guys, I'm gonna be trading Mickey gingerbread cookie pin, and I'll show you what I traded for with the cast member. So this is the pin I traded the Mickey gingerbread cookie, holiday cookie for. It's a Jafar pin. So our total count for today was 8 real pins. We didn't pick up any scrappers, and that's what's important. And we picked up what we liked. So which one is your favorite? Okay, my friends, well, we had a lovely early evening here at Disney Springs. I loved all the pins I found. None of them are scrappers. And I got to open some mystery boxes for you. Even though that was future Mia that did it, it still counts as a pin trading and pin unboxing video all in one. Anyway, that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video real soon. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.